Hello everyone, it's Mubeen Tariq and welcome back to another interesting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So today we are going to learn about the Blob brush tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start our video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Illustrator and create an artboard here as I have created here. Now there is Blob brush tool. When you right click on the paintbrush, here it is, the Blob brush tool. As I have told you about the paintbrush tool in our previous video, and I have said that I will told you about the Blob brush tool in our next video. So today we are going to talk about the Blob brush tool. So simply select the Blob brush tool. So let's say first I will tell you the difference between the paintbrush tool and the Blob brush tool. So let's say I select the paintbrush tool and I draw a line here. So this is the paintbrush tool and this is the Blob brush tool. So first I want to show the difference between them. So this is the brush tool, the paintbrush tool. So here you can see this. When I select this, this is a path and this is the stroke. Here you can also see the fill color is disabled and it has only stroke. There is no fill in this one because it is itself a path. But if I select this one, which is the Blob brush tool, so here you can see this, there is no one path, there is fill color inside it, and when you want to change its color, you will change the stroke color, and when you want to change its color, you will change the color of the fill, like this. Now I hope you guys have understood this, that what I am talking about. So let's say I select this one, and with the P button on your keyboard you can see the brackets. The start bracket will use to decrease the size of the brush, and the end bracket will use to increase the size of the brush while using the paintbrush tool, while using the Blob brush tool. So let's say I draw something like this. Now it has converted to a shape. Now it is a proper shape, but in the case of paintbrush tool, whatever I draw, it will remain only a stroke. It is a path, but it is a proper shape. So now I hope you guys have understood this, that what is the difference between the paintbrush tool and the Blob brush tool. Now by using the Blob brush tool, you can draw many drawings by using the drawing tablets, but I'm using the mouse here. So when you double click here, you can see its properties. So from here you can decrease or increase its smoothness, like when you put it right here, it will become ultra smooth, and when you click here, then its smoothness will be decreases, but I recommend you to put it in the middle. From here you can decrease or increase its size, its angle, which you can also change from here, and here you can also change its roundness, like this. And I have told you about this in our paintbrush tool tutorial, that when you click here, select random, now you can change its minimum and maximum size, angle and roundness. So let's say I press OK. By using this, you can also fill colors in many drawings. So let's say there is a drawing here, drag and drop it over here, I put it right over here so that you can see this. So now I have this shape here. I select the Blob brush tool, I select this color, and I start painting over here. Something like this. Now right click here, select the selection tool and right click here and then go to arrange, then select send backward. So now you can see this, that how quickly we can fill colors in any shapes by using this Blob brush tool. Again select the selection tool, right click here, then go to arrange and then select send backward. So now you can, using this you can quickly fill colors in this. But here is a point I want to show that. Let's suppose I select this, the Blob brush tool, and I select the yellow color to fill in the sun. And when I start filling color from here, and then you can see this, that it will take a lots of time to fill color in the whole shape. So for suppose I draw a rough outline here, I make its size little smaller, and you can press Ctrl Z to undo. Now I just want to join them. Now select the selection tool, right click here, select this one, right click here, do it to arrange, send backward. Now here's a tip for you guys. Then here you can see this one is the one path, this one is the second path. By using the direct selection tool, when you click here, this one, so it will select the second path, and when you press the delete key on your keyboard twice, so it will delete this area. And how you can see this, now that color have filled in the whole shape. So this is how you can use this quickly. So I put it right over. I wanna group them, and you can also use the gradients behind this. So yeah, this is how you can create this type of amazing design by using the Blob brush tool, and you can draw many type of illustrations or drawings by using the Blob brush tool. I hope you guys have understood this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And my Facebook link is in the description of this video. Whatever you create or design by using these tools which I have told you in this tutorial, don't forget to share your work on my Facebook. Goodbye.